If you wanted to speak a fluent English language, and if you wanted to improve your English language, so then you have to must go through a specific procedure. Because for everything you wanted to learn, there is a specific procedure. For example, if you wanted to learn drive, that's how to drive a car. So there are some specific ways. You must have to learn the ways how to drive a car, how to drive. All right. So therefore, I have suggested you, I have recommended you two ways, two steps to speak a fluent English language. So the very first step and way to learn a fluent English language is is to uh, change your habits. The very first step is change your habits. So, what does it mean by habits? Habits, you're walking, you're talking, you're talking, you're clapping, you're washing, and everything which you are doing and your daily routine. So, this is what's called habits. So, the very first step is change your habits. Now, if you are watching movies, dramas, and, and other irrelevant things on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, etc. So it means your habits are not learning. Your habits are not proper and perfect for your learning. So then you have to change your habits and and make yourself and make yourself and adopt some new and unique habits in your daily routine through which you can improve your personality. So, for example, as I have told you, if you're watching dramas, movies, and other irrelevant videos on WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube, Instagram, etc. So instead of those videos, you must have to adapt in your personality, in your daily routine, and your habits to watch cartoons in English language, to watch UK and USA pronunciation videos, to read books, magazines, articles, and newspaper, etc. These things will help you to improve your English language conversation. The second step, which I'm going to discuss and tell you about the second step and way to speak a proper and a fluent English language. That is, practice of your English language. So, what does it mean by practice of your English language? I mean to say the practice of your English language is about overall English language course. Like, like for example, there are four things are very necessary in speaking English language. If you want to speak a fluent English language and a fluent conversation of English language, so you must have to follow four things. The very first thing is listening, the second thing is writing, and the third one step is reading, and the fourth one is pronunciation. So, and the second step, I'm going to discuss these things. I'm going to recommend you these four things. So, the very first thing, always try, most probably try to learn vocabulary, 5 to 6 vocabulary in a day. Most probably try to read books, magazine, and articles for 30 minutes at least in a day. Most probably try to listen English lectures, English speeches, English practices for 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes in a day. Most probably reads books and writes 3 to 4 pages in a day. And when you are reading the books and magazine articles, so you must find out the vocabulary, the difficult vocabulary. So then you have to write down those difficult vocabulary and search in your dictionaries and to find out the meanings of those difficult words. And then you have to learn 5 to 6 vocabulary on a daily basis. So if you are follow these two steps, the very first change your habits, and the second one is most probably practice of your English language. If you are follow these steps, so you can improve your English language and you can speak a very fluent English language in your future. so much for watching my videos